Settings with HM Electronics. HME is a wireless communication systems manufacturer and have been in business for over 40 years. The DX300 is a two-channel system that football coaches use. You have a base station, a main base station that goes up in the press box, and you have a minimum of 2, but you can also have 4 people connected to the base station up in the press box. And then you have the wireless belt packs down in the field, and you can have anything from 2 up to 15 belt packs on the field, where with a single base station, 3 people can talk all at the same time. Some of the great things about the DX300 are you can mix and match belt packs and all-in-one headsets. So if, say, the head coach wants an all-in-one headset with the no cords from the head to the belt, but everybody else likes the belt packs, you can do that simply, easily, and they're both the same price, so it's not an extra expense. A couple of the things that I hear all the time is that they love the clarity of the sound. They love the durability. I've heard story after story how coaches drop, throw, drop, kick their belt packs, and they pick them up, put them back on, and they work every time. The batteries last 18 to 20 hours, and they only take 2.5 hours to charge. And another big thing is that you do not have to send it in every year to be reconditioned. Because, again, HME knows how to build durable, rugged communication systems, so these things are built to last. The EB300 is a brand new product for us this year, and we listened to what the coaches had to say in years past. And what we wanted to do was make it so more people could talk at the same time on the field without compromising the quality of the audio. So what we came up with was an EB300, which is an extender base that adds 3 more people to talk on the field at the same time with 2 channels. If you're in single mode, you can have 4 people talking at the same time. The extended base is a small base, and you simply add it to the main base station. You register it, you register your belt packs to it, and then you're good to go. And if football coaches would like more information on the DX300 and or the EB300, please visit our website at www.hme.com. We have a full list of our dealers with phone numbers and websites, or you can call me directly, 1-800-909-6604.